If you are not living under a rock at the moment, you might know that the US stock market is crashing at the moment. Alongside cryptocurrency, as you can see on screen, Solana dipped at 105 USD, which is absolutely insane because 1 month ago it peaked at $250. But believe it or not, I am still printing thousands and thousands of dollars every single day with meme coins. So in this video, I'm ungatekeeping everything that I do. So if you want this wallet to be yours, just make sure to watch until the end. Now you guys might think that I trade meme coins to make all my money, but that is completely wrong. The truth is that I do the complete opposite. So more specifically, what I do is I launch and create my own coins, okay? So I create my own meme coins, and when the market cap gets high enough, I simply just remove the liquidity and I get away with thousands of dollars. Because a hack that I found is that every single coin on the blockchain is bound to get rugged. For example, this coin, it completely got rugged, okay? For example, this coin got rug pulled. This coin, oh my god, this coin got fucking rugged. And the number one reason why I like to launch my own coins is because, first of all, you have nothing to lose. The only thing you have to lose is your time, okay? The second reason why I like to launch my own coins is because it's really fucking easy. All you have to do is find a good narrative, make a coin on it, and when it gets buyers, you just simply remove the liquidity and you profit a shit ton of money. But now it's time for the actual good part of this video, and it's to actually create and launch your own coin. So to create your coin, you want to come to launchtoken.Fun. Here you will be able to launch and create your own coins with no coding required, and your coin will be listed under Radium Dex, which is 100 times better than Pump.Fun because you will get a way much higher market cap. For example, if I come to Photon and I compare the Pump.Fun Dex, just look at the market caps: 25k, 11k, 3k, 7k, 3k. And if I compare that to the Radium Dex, the market caps on the Radium Dex are absolutely insane. 1.5 million, 2 million, 100,000, 40,000, 6 million, 75,000. Okay, and here I have no filters. This is completely raw, bro. The point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on the Radium Dex, specifically on launchtokens.fun, if you want to maximize your profits. So here you can put the token name, token symbol, and token image. For example, if Elon Musk or Trump tweeted, well, you can come here and make a coin and make thousands. But if you're lazy like me and you want to make money with no marketing required, you can actually come to the copy trending coins feature right here, and you can duplicate and replicate any coin you want. Every single coin here is trending and pumping on Pump.Fun. So by duplicating these coins, you're putting all the odds in your favor, and you're listing these back up on the Radium Dex, which will get a much more higher market cap. So you are guaranteed to make money. You have nothing to lose. Like I said, you can make so much money, and I'm even going to create a coin. So the Henry coin right here caught my attention. It has 300 replies and a $40,000 market cap. So I'm going to create coin. After that, your phantom will pop up. Go inside of it. Okay, a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just ignore and proceed. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And then your coin will be created shortly. You just have to, wait. Okay, it popped up. Now click on copy token address and click on the create liquidity pool to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. After that, you want to click max to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now you are not losing this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to lose. I like to put 0.5 Solana because that is what I'm comfortable with. You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana or more. It's your choice. And then you can click on create pool and just wait, confirm, then do refresh. Okay, as you can see, it popped up. You're already 8% in profit, or $5, and then you can click on create on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. Okay, it's already pumping a lot. Let me go in the lower time frame. Okay. Okay, it pumped, now it dipped a bit, let's go. Okay, now I think the coin is now getting traction a lot. And when the coin reaches a high enough market cap in your desire, you can just remove the liquidity and profit a shit ton of money. Oh crap, it's dipping a bit. Okay, oh my god, now it's pumping a lot. Okay, so for example, if you want to see your profits, you can come to launchtoken.Fun, click on the refresh button, and here you're already $100 in profit within a couple of seconds, which is absolutely insane. We're gonna wait for my buyers. I at least want $200 before I move on to the next coin. Okay, now it's pumping a lot. What the hell? What the fuck? Okay, now this is actually absurd. Okay, it's been like 1 minute. Let me go check my profits. Okay, I think I might remove the liquidity because I'm already $200 in profit. I could wait longer for more buyers, but I am just going to remove the liquidity. So click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on, go fast. Confirm, and boom. We just removed the liquidity, and that is how you make money with launching meme coins, bro. You can make so much money. Launchtokens.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. And if I open my wallet, $400 is inside my wallet. So I think I had 1.5 Solana at the beginning, so I profited around 2 Solana. So if this isn't proof that you can make a shit ton of money, I don't know what the fuck is, bro. You can make so much money. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, just like, comment, subscribe, and join my free Telegram down below. And yeah, bye.